let's just go right to where we started. And this is kind of where how we went. First, we started by making a regular brush that has the calcium on the head of the brush. And this brush will last for like 6 or 8 months. And what do? You put it in your mouth and you brush your teeth and massage your gums. And you don't need to put anything else in with any paste or anything. Just water and a brush, or what we have here, Oracal, and a brush with calcium on it. That's all you need. Many things that are on the market actually damage you, what you're trying to solve. They're powerful killing things. Then we did some research and came up with a rinse for the mouth that can be used also for a brushing agent. And you brush your teeth with it, with the brush, or with both of these together, and then you empty your mouth. Now the secret to this is to brush about 3 to 5 minutes and take your time massaging and brushing, and then empty your mouth and leave the residue there. You don't want to leave the residue of these hot shot kind of agents to brush your teeth, because things turn to acid so quickly in the mouth, and the Oracal keeps it more alkaline, and that's better environment than an acidic thing in the mouth. How do you do it? You just take the cap off, and the calcium zinc compound is right here in the neck of it. So you fill it up with water, okay? Very simple. And then you take it, and it takes about 6 or 8 hours to get into solution and reach the titer that it takes to make the solution. So you turn it upside down, and it turns all of the solution into Oracal. And if you don't want to do that, you can lay it on the side and get the same effect. Then you put it up, and while you're using it over the, time it takes to use up all of this, this will make 8 bottles, and each time you have a little, whatever you have left, you open it up, you fill it up, and so you go from here all the way up. You set it on its back or on its top, and it'll make another bottle. Now this is the regular size. This comes also in the economy size. Now what's the economy size? The economy size is in either one or both of these is this makes, and if it's economy size there, it makes 32 bottles of solution. That's because we regulate how much calcium is put into here. And so this economy size is very efficient, economical, less than what you get here. But, some people don't want this, some people don't want this. So we made them both. And you take that, you put your water in, and you turn it upside down. And that sits upside down, or lay it down. Use it just the same way. Now this Cal lotion is for the skin. And I mean for the skin. You take the Cal lotion and you use it on your hands, and it works great. You're not rubbing it in, you're just putting it, you're just applying it like this, just applying it. It's great to use before you shave, or you shave your legs or your head. Put a little of this on this, and Boy. Then you put your cream on, and then you shave. See, because is really healthy and effective for skin. And you get burnt or something, boy, this knocks that burny feeling out immediately. And this works in the mouth, and it helps the whole inside of the mouth. This works in the whole outside skin, every inch of the skin, and you work it the same way. They are similar. This is for the mouth, and the cow lotion is for the skin. We got through with those, and they became very popular, and we started uh, making what we call our chips. The chips, see, they're very thin, and you just crush off some of the chips, and using your saliva, pick it up and rub it inside on between on the tooth and the gum, so that it catches right in here. See, and then you take these little instruments here and tease it between the teeth and a little bit under the gum between the teeth. And these chips, we've been using these so long, they are so effective. It's like getting on a plane and flying 1,000 miles to have your teeth treated with the calcium. They are just terrific. They're tedious to work with, but they're really the best things we have. The problem here is they're just kind of hard to do. Just putting it along in between the teeth here, where you would catch some popcorn or something, tease it in there and leave it. You do this 2 or 3 times a week, and it will just really make things great in your mouth.